Shall I search? Shall I seek for grace? Shall I pray? Shall I prove? Shall I strive to heavenly joy with an earthly love? Shall I think that a bleeding heart or a wounded eye or a sight can send the clouds to take so high? Silly wretch, forsake these dreams of a vain desire, or we think what high regards holy hope to require. Favor is as fair as things are, treasure is not bought, favor is not won with words, nor the wish of the thought. Justice gives each man his own, though my love be just. Yet not will she pity my grief, doth I die I must. Silly heart, then you too doth perish in despair. Witness yet how fain I die, when I die for fear. Yeah.